Welcome everyone. I'm Laura Shu, author of the Lightroom blog and Lightroom workshops on video at laurashu.com. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the new faceted search feature available in the cloud-based Lightroom CC as well as in Lightroom Mobile. It uses Lightroom CC's search feature, which does require an internet connection. The first step in a search is always to select where you want to search. I've already selected these three albums. Now, a facet is a characteristic. Camera is an example. Let's search these three albums for a specific camera. I'll click in the box and type camera, and I'll put a colon after it to indicate that I want it to use the camera facet. It pops up a list of cameras that images in these albums have been shot with. Then I can select a particular one. Let's say I want to find photos that have been shot with either my iPhone 6 or my iPhone 10. I've already added the iPhone 6 criterion, so now I'll click in the box, type camera, colon again, and then choose iPhone 10. So when you select two or more values for the same facet, camera in this case, Lightroom uses an OR condition. So images shot with an iPhone 6 or an iPhone 10. Now there are other facets available. Unfortunately, they're not listed anywhere here, but here's a list. You can either write these down or you could visit my blog post on this Lightroom CC 1.5 update and bookmark that page, or you can memorize the list. Let's say I want to add another facet. These images have to be shot with one of these two cameras and they have to be from a particular location. Location is a facet, so I'll type location colon, and then I'll select Washington. So I have this camera or this camera and the state of Washington. So we have an AND condition between two different facets, an OR condition of values within a single facet. To cancel one of these criteria, click on the X. Or to cancel all of them, click on the X over here. Now some of these facets are also available in the filter bar section. For example, rating can be accessed here, or you can type rating colon. The filter bar doesn't require an internet connection. The search bar does. But otherwise, they should give you the same answers. Faceted search will work the same on your mobile device. I'm within an album, so when I tap on the search icon, I'll be searching within this album. I'll type camera, colon, and then I'll choose my Olympus camera from the list. To hide the search box, I can tap on Done. To cancel the search, I'll tap on the X to the right. That's it for faceted searches. I'm Laura Shu.